guys, it's Sanyika the Firestarter. I am a keynote speaker, a performing artist, and a storytelling expert. I had the privilege of working with Glenn Jimenez and Kristen Jimenez in the development of my media kit, which is an amazing tool. It gets me in front of more people so that they can get a chance to see exactly what it is that I do. Working with Glenn and Kristen was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Their command for asking the right questions in the development process and then developing it on timeline, on a deadline to get the job done is absolutely amazing. I had a great time working with them. They were open to collaboration, to getting new ideas, to feedback. Every time I send out my media kit, people are in awe. They are blown away by the design, by the way the information is formatted, and by the overall structure of it. Glenn made me look like a superstar. I'm so very grateful for Glenn and Kristen for their contribution to the development of the FireStarter brand. Anybody who is considering working with Glenn and Kristen, I highly recommend you pull the trigger and do it right now because it's going to advance your career. Right now, I am in the process of almost never being at home because of the fact that my marketing materials are so strong. And part of that is very much thanks to Glenn and to Kristen and for that help. Thank you guys. Love you so much.